Managing cyclical or recurring tasks is a big challenge for all of us. So, welcome everyone, and in this small video, I will show you this amazing new process sheet that we have will help you manage all of these things. So, this will help you track and measure any kind of process on cyclical or recurring basis, so any recurring task. So, what are the applications? So, the applications include all HR and accounts compliances like filing returns, depositing tax, or doing any kind of tax filing. Then all kinds of bill payments or reminders to ensure that you don't miss out on any payments and don't end up paying any penalties. Any kind of AMCs, plant or office maintenance activities that need to be done so that there is no unexpected breakdown. And any kind of reporting reminder that someone needs to give you a report. And the features of this particular sheet are that it will send automated reminders by email as well as WhatsApp. It will send a daily, it can take up daily, weekly, monthly or yearly repeating tasks. So any kind of recurring task can be in any configuration. It will take all of them. Okay. It sends a reminder every day in the morning and sends a report in the evening with the scoring as well as updates. And you will get a weekly, monthly report with the score. Okay, so measurement drives behavior. It will also measure so that people end up doing the tasks, and the completely automated thing. So just to show you some of the reports, so every day in the morning the person gets a task reminder that these are the things that are due for you. He can click and update them here itself. Same thing happens on the WhatsApp also. So everyone gets a reminder for the recurring task and they can click the link and they can update. Similarly, in the evening, they get a report. Okay, so daily evening with scoring and update. So this is Nirmal. These are his tasks. So two are total. Done is one. Pending is one. This is the score. What are the updates? Okay, so what is done, what is not done, and which are tomorrow's tasks. So same report is sent on WhatsApp also. So in the evening itself, the person will come to know. Then individual weekly report with scoring and updates. So you can see weekly task report for Amit for week number 21. So what was planned, how many was actual, and what is the score? So total score, what is the total done, pending, and what is the score? And same thing is sent on WhatsApp. And summary report to boss with scoring for everyone is sent on a weekly basis. So summary report for week number 21, Nisha, Nirmal, Sanjeev, what is the score, how many were planned, how many were done, how many are pending. Okay. So you see a overall team score also, and the same thing is sent on WhatsApp. And this is a monthly summary. So again, monthly task for Nirmal, this is sent individually to everyone. Okay. And monthly summary is sent to the boss for everyone. So Ritu, Sanjeev, Anil, Amit. So individual report to person and the combined report to boss with the individual score for everyone. And it auto archives previous month's report. You don't have to create new sheets, nothing manual in this particular sheet. Everything is fully automated and it backs up the data of the previous month with the scoring. So which task, how many were planned and how many times did he do it, what is the score. So you get everything. And this has an amazing detailed dashboard with filters. So you can select by month, you can select by department, you can select a person, and you can see his entire scoring based on that. So let me quickly show you the sheet. So this is the sheet right here. So as you can see, you can have the task, you can define the task here. Okay, and you get the remarks and the attachment. So this can also receive attachments. So any person who's doing the task, he can send an attachment to you. Okay, this is the planned score, actual score, and then you can have monthly repeating tasks. You can have daily, weekly or yearly. So you can put multiple dates here. Okay, and as you can see there, you can put days of the week, you can put dates, you can put multiple dates separated by commas. You will always see the live week. So this contains the live week, and you can also show all the weeks. And very interestingly, as you can see here, that here you will only see the days that are for this month, they will be active, and rest of the other days for previous or the following months will not be active. Okay, and only one sheet, so nothing has to be done, no copy has to be done, and you will get automated updates. So whenever the person sends an update, it will be recorded here. And these are the weekly updates. So this is the weekly scoring, the monthly scoring, archive of the previous month will happen automatically, and a complete dashboard. So guys, all of this and more, please join us for the upcoming Tech Alumni session. The links are in the description. So look forward to seeing you.